bootcamp ended with a project that we had 2 weeks to build. So along with two teammates, Blake and Kevin, we built a product which I'd like to share with you today. This product was inspired by the frustration that I previously felt as a new entrepreneur without a proper office. I'm sure the thousands of freelancers in Singapore alone can relate. For many of them, co-working spaces are just too expensive. And it's a real pain spending the first hour of every day looking for a restaurant or a cafe with Wi-Fi, power outlets, and of course, space. We developed the Cafe Collective, a marketplace that connects cafes looking to reach more customers and boost utilization with freelancers looking for an affordable, convenient, and reliable workspace.
I'm meeting a friend at Novena Square today, and so I'm gonna go ahead and search Novena Square. Great, so I have a couple cafes. Typically, I like cafes that have some background music and have natural lighting. I think today I'm gonna go with Craftsman Coffee. Here I get a description of the coffee shop, ambiance tags that Craftsman Coffee has given. I can see the amenities that they have. So they have high-speed Wi-Fi and free water, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and book a seat from 4 to 6 p.m. is good. The $16 that I pay directly on the platform comes to me in cafe credit to spend once I check in.
I found the Wagon, loved what I saw in terms of program and format, and so I just went for it. Fast forward 9 weeks, and I'm incredibly grateful for the experience, and honestly quite surprised at the amount of content they managed to squeeze into 9 weeks.